Before testing your first patient, verify the AMTAS software has been installed on the tablet and that you have all the required test accessories. Please refer to the installation and setup section of the GSI AMTAS Flex user manual prior to installing the software. This will ensure all precautions and prerequisites are met and there is a thorough understanding of security options. To test a patient with AMTAS Flex, you will need the following: DD450 circumaural headphones, the USB splitter cable, and the room noise monitor. The room noise monitor is a standard accessory that provides an analysis of the noise in the test environment and will alert the user if an obtained hearing threshold may have been affected by excessive noise. If the test environment is a quiet office or sound booth, the room noise monitor may not be necessary.